This one truth will change how you see your life forever, because one choice creates your entire path. If you're looking for motivation, wisdom, and life lessons, take the path of purpose.
How will AI technology change our lives? How will AI technology change our lives? It's one of the most important questions of our time, and perhaps of all time, because the changes artificial intelligence is bringing are not limited to apps and machines. They are reshaping our economies, our identities, our relationships, and our understanding of what it means to be human. To answer this question, we need to go beyond headlines and hype. We need to look to history, to science, to philosophy, and most importantly to the truth. Let's begin with history. Technology has always changed human life. The printing press democratized knowledge. Electricity extended our days. The steam engine launched the industrial age. The internet connected the globe. Each leap brought progress, but also disruption. Jobs were lost. Power shifted. Societies had to adapt. And with every innovation came a moral question. Not just what can we do, but what should we do? Now, we are standing at another turning point. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's science fact. And its impact is already visible in how we search for information, how we shop, how we work, how we communicate. But what exactly is AI? At its core, AI is the creation of machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. That includes learning, reasoning, recognizing patterns, understanding language, and making decisions. From simple rule-based systems to complex neural networks, AI is now integrated into everything from smartphones to satellites. Machine learning, a branch of AI, allows systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, using structures inspired by the human brain called neural networks, has enabled machines to recognize faces, translate languages, and even write stories and compose music. So, how will this change our lives in the coming years and decades? First, AI will transform the way we work. According to the World Economic Forum, automation could displace up to 85 million jobs by 2025. But it could also create 97 million new ones. That means change, not necessarily loss, but transition. Repetitive and routine tasks will be handled by machines. That includes roles in manufacturing, logistics, customer service, and even some white-collar jobs like data entry and basic legal work. But AI will also create new role zones that don't yet exist. Roles that require creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and the ability to work with AI tools. This means the workforce must evolve. Education must shift. We must teach, not just coding, but problem solving. Not just knowledge, but wisdom. Lifelong learning will no longer be optional. It will be essential. Second, AI will revolutionize healthcare. Already, AI is being used to detect diseases earlier than ever before. Algorithms can read X-rays with greater accuracy than some doctors. AI-powered tools can predict epidemics, personalize treatments, and even assist in surgery. Imagine a world where your health is constantly monitored by intelligent systems preventing illness before it begins, where access to medical advice is democratized, breaking down barriers of geography and cost, where treatments are tailored not just to populations, but to your personal DNA. But this also raises ethical questions. Who owns your health data? How is it protected? Can we trust machines with life or death decisions? These are not questions for tomorrow. They are questions for today. Third, AI will change how we live and connect. Smart homes, smart cities, smart cars are already in development. AI assistants help us organize our schedules. Navigation apps reroute us in real time. Language translation tools break down barriers between cultures. In the future, AI may personalize every aspect of our digital lives, curating content, managing finances, supporting mental health. But this personalization also comes at a cost. Filter bubbles, privacy erosion, surveillance. If we're not careful, the same tools that free us can also manipulate us. Deep fakes, misinformation, algorithmic bias, these are already eroding trust in truth. We must build ethical frameworks to ensure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Fourth, AI will reshape the global economy. Nations that lead in AI will hold enormous economic and strategic power. This could lead to new inequalities between countries and within them. Already, large tech companies control much of the AI infrastructure. This raises concerns about monopoly, transparency, and accountability. If we do not act with foresight, AI could deepen divides between rich and poor, urban and rural, connected and disconnected. But if we act with equity, it could empower every, bringing education, health, and opportunity to the most underserved communities. Fifth, AI will challenge our understanding of identity and creativity. Can machines be creative? Can they write poetry, compose music, make art that moves us? The answer, increasingly, is yes. But does that mean the human spirit is no longer special? No. It means the human spirit must evolve. AI can imitate, but it cannot feel. It can generate, but it cannot experience. The role of the artist, the teacher, the thinker, these roles are not ending. They are transforming. They are becoming more about meaning, empathy, and connection. In education, AI tutors can personalize learning at scale, but only human mentors can truly inspire. In therapy, AI chatbots can offer support, but only human empathy can heal. The future is not AI or humans. It is AI and humans working together. Sixth, AI will force us to ask new philosophical and spiritual questions. If machines can think, what does that mean for our concept of consciousness? If AI can simulate emotions, what does that mean for relationships, for morality, for love? We are entering an age where technology and ethics must walk hand in hand. We will need new laws, new philosophies, new ways of being, and we will need to remember ways that the most powerful intelligence is not artificial. It is emotional. It is moral. It is human. So how will AI change our lives? It'll make things faster. It'll make some things easier. But it will also make many things more complex. We will be forced to redefine work, trust, creativity, truth, and freedom. We will be asked to upgrade not just our devices but ourselves, because in a world of intelligent machines, the most important thing will be the values that guide them. Will we use AI to serve humanity or to replace it? Will we build tools of empowerment or tools of control? Will we write code with conscience or without it? These are the questions that matter, and the answers begin with us. We must demand transparency in AI systems. We must teach ethics alongside engineering. We must protect privacy while advancing progress. We must include everyone and not just elites in the conversation. We must make sure AI reflects all voices, not just the loudest. We must hold our leaders accountable. We must hold ourselves accountable, because the world is not just changing, it's being written. And AI is one of the pens. So, let us write with wisdom, with compassion, with responsibility. Let us design AI to amplify our humanity, not diminish it. Let us teach the next generation to be not just tech-savvy but value-driven. Because in the end, AI is not destiny, it is direction. It is possibility. It is power. And power, when guided by conscience, can build a better world. A world where knowledge is universal, where healthcare is personal, where communication is seamless, where creativity is collaborative, but only if we choose it. So how will AI change our lives? It will do what we program it to do. The real question is, what kind of world do we want to create, and what kind of people must we become to build it? Let that be the question we carry. Let that be the work we do. Let that be the future we fight for. Not one shaped by machines alone, but one led by hearts, guided by minds, and inspired by vision, because the future is not artificial. It is deeply human, and it begins now.